nobody truly expected the profound changes that occurred. Yellowstone National Park is America's wild heart. For decades, something vital was missing here. Gray wolves vanished from the ecosystem by 1926. Their absence created an unseen, profound imbalance. Elk populations exploded, grazing unchecked across valleys. This unchecked grazing had devastating, long-term ecological consequences. Then, 1995, marked a monumental conservation effort. 31 gray wolves were carefully reintroduced to Yellowstone. 31 gray wolves arrived from Canada's wild territories. This bold decision aimed to restore natural order. Scientists watched eagerly, meticulously documenting every subtle change. The park's future hung in a delicate ecological balance. A missing piece finally returned to its rightful place. The first major impact was on the elk. Elk numbers, once soaring, began to decline. Wolves hunted the weaker, less vigilant individuals. This forced elk to move more frequently, altering their patterns. They avoided open areas, especially near sensitive river corridors. This crucial behavior change allowed vital vegetation to recover. Willows and aspens along riverbanks started growing tall. Previously, elk browsed these trees to stumps. The river ecosystem began its slow, vital regeneration. With more willows, beaver populations thrived again. Beavers build dams, creating new wetlands and ponds. These wetlands benefit diverse fish and amphibian species. Increased vegetation also provided more food for birds. Migratory songbirds found abundant, renewed nesting opportunities. Berries on recovering shrubs supported bears and small mammals. Even scavenger species benefited from wolf kills. Ravens, eagles, and coyotes found abundant food sources. The park's biodiversity saw a remarkable positive surge. Scientists named this complex ecological phenomenon a trophic cascade. It means changes at one level impact all others. Wolves, as apex predators, initiated this cascade. Their presence reshaped the entire ecosystem profoundly. Rivers changed course, stabilized by new root systems. Erosion decreased significantly along the newly stabilized riverbanks. The landscape itself transformed dramatically over years. This is a powerful lesson in ecological interconnectedness. Nature's balance is a complex, delicate masterpiece. The Yellowstone wolf reintroduction proved monumentally successful. It showcased the immense impact of a single species. Restoring apex predators can profoundly revitalize entire ecosystems. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.